Hi, good morning. So next concept, linear differential equation. Previous example in particular, homogeneous differential equation. It is in the form of dy by dx. So that equal to function f1 of xy divided by f2 of xy. So this is homogeneous differential equation because of function having only variables. So that's one. Next in particular, that is equal to homogeneous differential equation. It means that you have to reduce this differential equation in the form of this. So it is in the form of dy by dx. So that equal to ax plus b1 plus c divided by a dash x plus b dash 1 plus c dash. So because of this function containing variables as well as some constant to reduce this differential equation. Next step is linear differential equation. Linear differential equation, it is expressed in the form of dy by dx plus p into 1 is equal to q. This is solution ಕಲಿತಿರಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ solve dy by dx plus p into 1 is equal to q. This is linear differential equation because of its order and degree is 1. So that's why this differential equation is called linear differential equation. So every differential equation has its own solution. ಇದರದ್ದು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ತೆಗೆದಿರಿ ಇದರದ್ದು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ತೆಗೆದಿರಿ ಹಂಗ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಈ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು ಈ ಒಂದು ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಬಾಯ್ ಸೊ x² + 4x + 4 = 0 ಇಸ್ ಎ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಸೊ ಇದರದ್ದು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ ಸೊ ಇದರ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಏನು ಬರ್ತೈತಿ x = -2, -2 ಹಂಗ ಈ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ದು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು ಹೆಂಗ್ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಗಿವನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಐತಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೋರಿ ಇದರದ್ದು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಗೆ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೇಕು ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಸಲ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ನ ಕೇಳಾನ ಸೊ dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q. Write down given differential equation step 1. Step 2 ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೇಕು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದರದ್ದು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಸಿಗತೈತಿ ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ನೋ ರೈಟ್ ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀವಿ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀವಿ so multiply integrating factor so it is integrating factor in the form of exponential of p integration of p into dx on both sides. So step 2 multiply integrating factor on both sides so dy by dx into e raised to integration of p dx plus p into 1 e raised to integration of p dx. So that equal to q into e raised to integration of p dx. So observe LHS part keenly. Observe LHS part. LHS part ಅನ್ನು observe ಮಾಡಿ. So LHS part is exactly in the form of d by dx of q into d form. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಇದೆ ಐತಿ. ಇದು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ನಾ ಇದನ್ನ ಬಿಡಿಸಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. So that equal to q into integration of e raised to p dx. So call this equation A. It is exactly in the form of product of u into d form. ಇದೇನಿದೆ LHS part exactly in the form of this. ನಿಮಗೆ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. So right? So d by dx of take y into e raised to integration of p dx. So that equal to first function as it is, y as it is, differentiation of the second function, differentiation of e raised to x, e raised to x. X in terms of integration of p dx into differentiation of x so x in terms of integration of p dx so in a method first function as it is integration of differentiation of second function differentiation of e raised to x is e raised to x into differentiation of x in terms of integration clear plus second function as it is e raised to integration of p dx as it is into differentiation of first function y in terms of it is dy by dx. So I can write d by dx of y into e raised to integration of p dx. So that equal to rewrite dy by dx into e raised to integration of p dx plus y into e raised to integration of p dx. So differentiation of integration of any function it is any function so d by dx of integration of p dx in the form of it is p clear observe this and this It's saying dy by dx integration of e raised to p dx exponential plus e plus y e raised to integration of p dx into p. So means this example LHS part can be written in the form of this. So d by dx I can express it in the form of this. So product of u into v. Call this equation A. So next step. Step 1, you know what are the differential equation of the linear equal barkobeku is exactly in the form of linear. That linear in the form of dy dx plus p into y is equal to q. Call this equation 1. Step 2 ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು multiply I of integrating factor. So that is exponential of e raised to p into dx because of I want the solution of this. So that's why I can multiply this. Right? So multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ so LHS part ಅನ್ನ in shortcut form reduce ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು u into v product of u into v ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಬರ್ಕೋತೀವಿ d by dx of y into e raised to integration of p dx. ನಿಮ್ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ LHS part ಬರ್ತದೆ. Clear? Next concept. So next third step integrating on both sides because of I want the solution y. So dy by dx into integration ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ y is equal to means that is the solution. So that's why integrating on both sides. So integration of d by dx of y into e raised to integration of p dx. So that equal to integration of q into e raised to integration of p dx into dx. Right? Integration of differentiation of any function, it is any function y into e raised to integration of p dx. So that equal to integration of q into e raised to integration of p dx into dx plus some function c. So I can write like this y into so exponential of integration of p dx it is I can write shortcut I of integrating factor integration of q into I of so into dx plus c. Where I of is equal to e raised to integration of p dx. So it is a solution of linear differential equation. It is a solution of this linear differential equation. So on this formula ಬರ್ತವೆ e raised to log of function f of x. So that equal to f of x. Exponential of log of f of x is equal to f of x. That is the formula. Next, for example, e raised to log of x. So I can write directly x. ಅಂದ್ರೆ example solve ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಬರ್ತದೆ. So exponential of log of x raised to minus 1. So x raised to minus 1 like this. But exponential of x is not equal to x. So formula is exponential of log ಇರಬೇಕು exponential log ಇರಬೇಕು function ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ that equal to function f of x. Example is this, right? So this is the solution of this linear differential equation and also procedure of this. Clear? Okay.